Today we are looking at the British pound Japanese yen daily chart. So we are having a top-down analysis here. Starting from the daily chart, we do our analysis from the daily chart, go down to the lower time frames. Okay, from the daily chart here, we can see that the price is trading this ascending channel we have here, which means it's putting the price in a bullish trend. You can see that the price is trading in between this ascending channel we have here, the channel support and the channel resistance. So we can see that from the origin here, this was where we had the first contact on the channel support. The price was able to rally to this top, giving us a high. So which means this was a low and this a high. You see this quick collapse to this point, giving the second contact here, we have a second touch, which is a higher low. So from the higher low here, we had a rally again to the upside, giving us a higher high. The price collapsed again to this point, giving a higher low, which is indicating that this is a bullish trend. And there was a break of structure. Now we can see the price is here. It has broken this high, which means a break of structure, giving us a higher high at this point. So this is a clear indication that from the daily chart here, the price is bullish. So going down to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart here now. From the 4-hour chart, you can see that we can have a broader picture here. From the 4-hour chart, okay, we have this other trend line here. This trend line here is serving as our ascending support. You can see we had a touch here, 1. We had another touch here, 2. And we had another touch here, 3. In this case, we had a double bottom. So going to the daily chart, I will tell you where this trend line is coming from. From the daily chart, you can see that the trend line originated from this, the last higher low we had it. See the rally. This is where I connected this trend line here, serving as ascending support. So back to the 4-hour chart. At the last point there on this trend line here, where we have this double bottom chart pattern, we can see here this is a bullish reversal chart pattern. It's a double bottom, first and a second bottom here. So if we zoom in now, we can see that in between we have this little horizontal resistance level here, which was broken. You can see price broke it and got to this high, giving us a new resistance level. So this old resistance can become a new support. That is, if the market come back to retest it, that should be our new support level. So that should be our new support level here. So in this case now, what I'm expecting the price to come back here, and I'll be looking for a buy, or it go back up to a test a supply here, where I'll be looking for a sell to the downside. This will be seen clearly on the 1-hour chart. So I'll go down to the 1-hour chart now. On the 1-hour chart, you can see that this is still the same old resistance level that was broken. So if you have a retest, you can look for buy at the flip zone here, which will become a new support at this point. Or you can see that at this resistance level here, the price was consolidating here before it collapsed to the downside here. You can see that I have already highlighted the supply zone here. This is supply zone I highlighted here. So I have two options here now. Price has given me two options for my analysis. So it is either the price will come back up to this supply zone and I will short to the low, or the price will come and retest this old resistance using it as a new support and I will go long to the top. So these are my two options now from the analysis. So this is what it will look like. So the time frame doesn't really matter. So I can see I will go down to the 15-minute chart. Okay, this year I will do the entries now on the 15 minutes. So this is a highlighted supply zone, right? So you can see that the market is either making its way up or we collapse again to the low here. So I'm playing between this range. There's no problem. I'll either buy low at this point or sell high at this point. So this is what it will look like. If the price is able to peak to this supply zone here, this is what I will do. I will go short. So I will go short here. As simple as this. Short, stop, somewhere around there. You can see it's a 1:2:1. So no problems. Let price just do it. Or if it's coming low to this old resistance to flip it to support, I will go long. It's as simple as that. I will go long here. You can see it's clear. stop below, above, just there, make my entry 1:2. As simple as this, right? Okay, so that is the analysis on this. So this is a top-down analysis. I believe it's understandable. So it's either I'm selling here or I'm buying here.